Today I will show you 3 boring but easiest steps to become a profitable trader. Step 1. A trading plan. Before you even place a trade, you should have a trading checklist. This should include the timing that you're looking to trade, your risk parameters, your strategy, and all the details. Step 2. A simple strategy. Having a simple strategy that is also repeatable is very important. Otherwise you'll end up trading like this, trading random fair value gaps, and obviously losing. This is the strategy I use. Step 3. Risk management. Now I'm going to teach you something that no one else teaches. This is arguably the most gate-kept concept. But did you know you can lose 6 out of 10 of your trades and still be profitable? This is possible with a 1 to 2 risk to reward. For example, every $100 you were losing, you were making $200 in return. To sum it up, the 3 easiest steps to become a profitable trader: have a trading plan or checklist, have a simple strategy, and have risk management.